In this video, I will show you exactly how to scale your content creation by producing 30 high-quality videos at once using the powerful batch mode feature in Heygen. If you have been making videos one by one, you know how incredibly time-consuming that process can be, but this method changes everything. To get started, you first need to log into your account and navigate directly to your Heygen dashboard. Once you are on the main screen, look for the Create button and then select the Apps section where you will find the batch mode option. This is the secret tool that allows you to automate the entire production process in just a few clicks. The next step is all about your content, so you should have your scripts ready to go. You can simply copy and paste your scripts into the provided fields, making sure each individual video has its own designated text. After your scripts are in place, it is time to customize the look and feel of your content. You can browse through the extensive library to choose your preferred avatars and the perfect voices that match your brand or the specific tone of your message. Heygen offers a huge variety of realistic characters and natural-sounding artificial intelligence voices to ensure your videos look professional. Once you have made your selections and confirmed that everything looks correct, you just need to hit the Generate button. The system will then work its magic to generate all 30 of your videos simultaneously in the background. This allows you to walk away and focus on other tasks while your entire video library is built for you. By using batch mode, you are effectively turning hours of manual labor into just a few minutes of setup time.